Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. It's got these clamps that help keep that ramp from rattling in the back. With these handles, spring assisted, I can take it down using only my index finger. Very easy to do. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entry, so you have more room. It does taper down to about 33 inches there at the base where the ramp sets. It has 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Headliner looks good, has your rear air controls. Between the second row of seats, there's about 21 inches of room. So generally, the chair, the person's legs will sit between those seats. The bottom will sit slightly behind it. We can take one of the seats out if you want more room, if you want that chair to go up further. We've got seats that'll flip up on their sides. So tell us what you need, tell us your measurements. There's no one size fits all. We'll do our best to accommodate you. Let us know what you need and we'll make it happen. The dash looks great. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, you can sync it with your phone. Auxiliary cord there as well. Dual climate control, rear air. Cup holders galore, cup holders over there in the armrest, underneath the armrest as well. We do give a free set of pull-tight Q-strength tie-downs away with each van. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look there, one finger. Latch those back down like so. Super simple to do, and it sure beats the expensive electric ramps and doors. Boy, when those go bad, you better break out the piggy bank. Rear tinted windows. We've got 4 Goodyear Assurance tires on here. We've actually got 2 more we're going to put on the back here just after this video, but 2 brand new ones up front. We're going to go put 2 brand new ones on the back, so we'll have 4 brand new Goodyear tires. We're talking high dollar tires. It's $800 in tires on this van. All brand new, so you don't have to worry about tires. Very clean. Hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but boy, it's sure not far from it. It's very clean, very well taken care of. See the rooftop's in great shape. I open the door here, you can see the VIN number. We always show the VIN number in our videos, that way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. We're not pulling one of those internet scams, so be aware of those. And I misspoke. This is a 2019, not a 2018, so my apologies. 2019 Caravan, we do a free Carfax. Shows 1 owner, no accidents or damage. Last owned in Florida, so not a rust area. As we scroll down, we can see Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, never structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents or damage or open recalls. You can see the vehicle has been serviced. That's exactly what we're looking for in a used vehicle. So 1 owner, no accidents. Serviced. Nobody goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. Not only do we provide the free Carfax report, detailed videos like you're obviously watching. Google us, Affordable Mobility Solutions. Come over to our reviews. 4.8 out of 5 stars. Come open up, see all the great things people have said about us. Look here, also find us on eBay. 823 transactions. We've never had any negative feedback. That's 823 times customers or transactions said we did them right. 0 times we said we did them wrong. So when you combine the videos, the Carfax, the dozens of pictures, nobody in the country goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. Okay, back to the rest of the interior of the vehicle. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Very clean, inside and out. Got the second row of seats here. Got your armrests on those. We do have 1 key, keyless entry. If you want to get us another key made on your dime, we can. Those are generally $199 a piece. Go to fire the van up. Fires right up. You can see full tank of gas. You hear that radio works. There's no dummy lights. There's no check engine lights, no airbag, no ABS lights, so that's great. Current mile is 43,633. We've also checked over, we checked not only the big, but the small. We checked the power mirrors, power windows, power locks. There's a mirror over there. Heat, air, cruise. This is not some van we just throw on our lot. We don't do it like that. Got the little vent button back there. Even the vents work. We've touched every button, big and small, to make sure there's no surprises on this van when you get it. And you probably noticed a lot of the dealers out there that they don't tell you about the big dent in the side of the van, or the transmission slipping, or, you know, I don't do business like that, and that's why I make these videos, so you know what you're getting. You don't have to assume, you know. Underneath the hood, idles smoothly. I don't see any signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage, no signs of any floods. Got our emissions control right there. Very clean. This thing's had a brand new battery just about a year ago, so that's good news. Underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. I don't see any bent metal from an accident. I don't see any abnormal signs of any rust or anything like that. Everything looks good. And you know, that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's got 43,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman is nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume there's nothing being hidden from the person selling it to them. They assume it's not all rusted out. Check out underneath that van, how clean that is. This is not some New York or Chicago van that's been in the snow and ice and salt. It's not some flood vehicle. And go look at our competition. I'm fine with that. Go look at them right now. Check out their website. How many pictures do you see underneath the van? Do they have a video of it? Do they have a video of it driving? So you're telling me you're gonna send someone $30,000 that you've never met and just hope they're being honest with you? Oh, I would not advise that. Demand a detailed video just like this. Know exactly what you're getting. People get screwed on the internet every single day. They lose their life savings. Don't be one of those people. Demand a detailed video. And if you don't, and the van shows up and it's a pile of junk, you really only have yourself to blame. I've been doing this 10 years. I'm telling you now, get you a detailed video. So let's get it out on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can hear the engine run and feel the transmission shift. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. Good acceleration, popped up to about 65 miles an hour here. Got the cruise control. Steering wheel's nice and straight. I am turning a little bit right now, but now it's nice and straight now that I'm back straight. No unusual vibration or noise, so all what we're looking for. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Let's go from anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years. You know, talk to me about that. Spend a couple $100 at least protecting your investment. Protect your investment, folks. And also be aware of dealers out there with all these hidden fees. A lot of them have a real nice price online. They're trying to get you in the door, trying to talk you into buying their vehicle, and when it's time to close the deal, oh yeah, we have a $500 document fee, then we have a tag fee, an administrative fee, a freight fee, and oh yeah, we don't do free shipping if you're talking to them online. Next thing you know, that real nice price jumped about $2,000 or $3,000. It's not so nice anymore, is it? You know, my point is, if someone tells me a van's $30,000, other than sales tax, that van needs to be $30,000. $30,000 doesn't mean $30,500 or $31,000 or $31,500 after all your hidden fees. $30,000 means $30,000. And I've got to ask you something. If someone's not being honest with you up front about the price, if they tell you the price is $30,000, but it's really $31,000 or $30,500, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding an accident, flood damage? Is it a salvage title? You know, I don't know. I can't speak for anybody else, but I just know if somebody's not being honest and upfront from the start, I do not trust them, and I definitely will not give them my money. So, nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So, again, exactly what we're looking for. And hey, if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. And how when you're talking to the competition, ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Put that to them, ask them. Because here's my cell phone number. If you're more of a texter or you need the owner's cell phone number, 316-518-4377. Just another of many ways we surpass the competition in every way. So give me a call or text if you need. We do have financing available. We can send a link to your phone or your email. And hey, if you're old school, and you're not much of a texter or a phone person or email, we can call us up. We'll take an application over the phone. We're here to help. So don't feel bad about it. Give us a call and see our entire inventory with detailed videos and Carfax reports on all of our vehicles at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do take trade-ins. Call and talk to me about that, how we can help with those. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.